This video is made available by the Allegheny College Computer Science Department under a Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike version 3.0 license. Okay, so the question is, what is the deal with all of the different comments? It's a reasonable question because lots of people wonder about comments and they're like, what is going on with all the comments? So when you're reading Java code, and in BlueJ, the comments come in different colors. The colors are different because it's supposed to help you. So you've got some comments that look like this. They're two slashes. Those are sometimes called forward slashes because they lean to the right. However, if you are a native reader of Arabic, I suppose those are forward slashes because it's a right to left language. But for now, those are forward slashes. So when you put two of those at the start of a line, then everything you write after it is going to be a comment. And when we say that something is a comment, what we mean is that, let's say that, our computer is over here. So we've got a computer, it's got a monitor, and they always have disk drives, and it's got some feet and some arms. So here's a computer, all right? And the computer has an eyeball, and that's pretty good. But computers can't see comments. So when it is looking here, it just doesn't see it. So in your Java programs, comments are effectively invisible. They're only for you, the human reader. All right, so let's go ahead and clear that. BlueJ has other comments, and those are blue. And those are also a little confusing. Blue comments always start with a forward slash and an asterisk. That comes from holding down the Shift key and the number 8. Yep, that's what it is on my keyboard. Now, once you do that, everything is a comment. No matter whether you put it on the next line or not. So, la, 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 it's just a comment until like that, until you have an asterisk and another forward slash. So everything in between these, everything is a comment. Now that sometimes gets confusing. You're like, well, then how come? Like sometimes you see this, and then they keep making asterisks. There's more asterisks and asterisks and asterisks, and then they write in caps something important, and then they make lots of asterisks down here, and then finally there's this slash, and do you know what? It's just formatting. All right, so whoever wrote that code wanted to format it that way, and they're essentially doing art with the asterisks, because if you want to, you can do things where you put a slash and an asterisk, and then you could put an O here and a period and a littler O, and on the next line you could put a line, and then down here you could put an asterisk, and in your code you'd have this little face, but it would be a comment. So remember what I said, because it's a comment and computers are red, right? So if there's a computer over here, he's got some feet and some arms. And this is the Java compiler, basically. And it's checking out our code, but it is not going to see the face that you draw because comments are for people. Hopefully that helps. If not, well, I had fun kind of drawing the computers because those are kind of cool. Cheers.